Hello everyone. I will be making a pork with salted shrimp. In the Philippines, we call this baboy na binagoongan. In Bicol, since I am from Bicol, we call this Bicol Express. These are my ingredients: shrimp, salted shrimp, and I need tomatoes. This one is a pepper, green pepper, and this is the red one. And of course, garlic and onions and pork. And salt and pepper to taste. And I use magic sarap, but some people they don't use this. And this is the pork cubes. Uh, I need to fry of course, my, my onions. My onions and my garlic. Stir fry. Let it cook until become light brown. Let it cook until become light brown. Oh, since I will put salted shrimp, I will not add salt here because I don't want it become really too spicy. Too salty because the shrimp is salted. So yeah, we'll just stir fry the onions. Let it brown. Then after this, I will put my pork. I add my tomatoes. Then I need to stir fry this. Stir fry. Now I will put this pork. Let it cook, simmer for a while. And I will put my pork cubes for flavor. And of course, my magic sarap. But some people, you know, actually they ban this in America. This magic sarap. Just stir. I will stir fried, pan fried pork. Make it brown. cook, then I will put the coconut milk. But I want the pork to be kind of toasted a little bit. I have a lid of this. This under. We'll let it simmer for a while. Yeah, I will just stir this. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that I will add coconut milk. Now I will, yeah, I will add the coconut milk now. This is because this is the main part of the ingredients. Yeah, this is the main parts of the ingredients. And of course, I will add this bell pepper now. And I will cover this to simmer. I will put the salted shrimp later because that is also cooked anyway. That salted shrimp. So we'll simmer this for a while. Yeah. After simmering for a while and make the pork tender, I need to stir it frequently so that the will not stuck at the bottom. Yeah, let it dry more. Then I will add yeah, it seems the pork already tender. Oh, I will let it, yeah, it's stuck at the bottom. I need to stir it. Then I will add the shrimp, but I want it dry a little bit more. Yeah. Uh, Then I will put the shrimp. Now I guess I can put the shrimp. This shrimp is already cooked that you can buy in the supermarket. Now I need to stir it because already have a shrimp. I'll just stir it more, make it sure it will not stick to the bottom. And this is done. This is done. My Bicol Express. I just let it simmer a little bit more to dry the juice. Pork with salted shrimp. In my country, in my province, we call this Bicol Express. I can lower the heat, but I want it to dry a little bit more. Now I'm hungry. I can eat rice with my pork, chow mein, and what's that? Bicol Express for short in my province. We call that. In Tagalog, bidagoongang baboy. Yeah, we'll let it dry a little bit. Dry more a little bit, and this will be okay. And we can transfer it in the pot. Yep, here is my pork with salted shrimp, Bicol Express in my province. We call this in Tagalog, baboy na binagoongan, ika nga. And we eat this together with the rice. Hello, this is my Bicol Express. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.